The bank was concerned with security. It told the Camerons it no longer wanted to continue its current relationship. Presumably that means they wanted to draw in the loan.
Well, that's what we presumed as well. I mean, we were current with everything with the bank at the time.
This is our home, and yeah, we decided that this wasn't going to separate us or split us, and that was the way out that we thought of clearing 95% of our debt and staying here and with the pigs and me working off farm to make a living and keeping this as our home.
So you were then faced with that reality of either you keep the home and sell the water, or you have to sell a lot.
Sell the lot and try and start over again.
I could sell all of my water, which is about nearly 1,000 megalitres that I farm with at the moment. I could sell that by lunchtime today, but if I was to sell that farm, I might be 2 years away doing it. And that's is quite the difference. And obviously banks, if they find a customer hard up, are and continue to put pressure on farmers.
It's the social cost of losing water that worries dairyman and Kerang councillor Max Faring. Every month, more of the town's future is being sold down the river.
We've now reached a point where about 8 or 9% of the water in our shire, or to put it in numerical terms, about 40,000 megalitres of water, has left our permanently. And the people and the knowledge we want to keep in the area will disperse, and we just might become a retirement home.
Just 30 kilometres away, rice growers are also feeling vulnerable.
The thing that shocked me the most was the fact that people are buying land for water and then deserting the land and keeping the water. So you've got this, what was arable land, just being left to rot without any water.
A lot of those examples were actually people coming out of Victoria saying...
I know, it was Kerang people.
Very heartfelt, wasn't it?
The industries that seem to be most vulnerable going forward are rice and dairy. Can you see them existing in their present form and as strong an industry?
I don't know that I can give a definitive answer to that. I can only say that if we create the right climate, those who are producing those products will have the opportunity to move into higher value product if changes are needed, if we get this right.
Some farmers have decided to gamble their futures on the water market. 2 months ago, Lindsay Grono also sold his water licences to reduce debt.
We sold 1,700 megalitres out of 1,900, so it was nearly all our water, right? But
now that's almost, what, 90% of your water?
Roughly 90%.
From now on, Lindsay Grono will rely on someone else for his water. He'll buy in a 1-year allocation from another licence holder. One day, he plans to buy back his own licences.
I've just done it to get through this dry period at the moment and took the risk out of next year, and I'll be back in the market again when things pick up again.
Lindsay Grono got over $1,000 a megalitre for his water. To get his licences back, he's banking on water prices going down when the drought ends. Far from the farm gate, however, the traders have a different forecast.
He might be right, you know, that there's forecasting's a difficult thing, but what's not going to change is the fundamentals. Demand goes up, supply either holds or goes down.
What if I told you that we spoke to a trader, water trader in Adelaide, who said that he reckoned that water prices were going to go up well over $2,000 a meg in the next 10 years?
Well, if that's the case, well, there won't be many people dairy farming then if they've got to buy water. It's as simple as that.
Our calculations suggest that the real value of water to the very large users, the high-value large users, could get to around $3,000 to $5,000 per megalitre in the next 5 years.
If speculator John Crosbie is right, farmers may squeal, but he'll make a lot of money. His business is buying licences and leasing the annual water allocations to farmers. On average,